Hi everyone, this is Cooking with Kurt. Today, my husband Donald and I are going to show you how to make Mocha Mamon, which are traditional Filipino mini chiffon cakes baked in small cupcake-like molds.
This recipe was requested by a lot of you. Thanks so much for all your requests, and we hope you like this video.
To start, take 4 eggs and separate them into egg yolks and egg whites. Let these come to room temperature. Prepare half a cup of coffee, however you would for drinking, and let it cool to room temperature.
If you're using instant coffee products, we recommend mixing half a cup of boiling water with 2 teaspoons of instant coffee or 1 teaspoon of instant espresso powder.
Preheat your oven to 350 degrees Fahrenheit. We're going to take 12 of these brioche or egg tart molds. These are the same ones we used for our ensaymada videos, which have a top diameter of 3.8 inches. You can use whatever size you like. You'll just make more or fewer mamon cakes, depending on whether you use smaller or bigger molds respectively. Alternatively, you can also use cupcake liners. Line just the bottom of these molds with a small circle of parchment paper. Do not grease the sides of the parchment paper. Arrange the molds evenly on a large sheet pan. We're not greasing the molds because chiffon cakes like this need to stick to the sides of the molds when rising. They'll automatically pull away from the sides as they cool, making them easy to remove from the molds. Then take a large mixing bowl and a sieve and add in 1 cup of cake flour, 2 teaspoons of baking powder, 1/3 cup of granulated sugar, half a teaspoon of salt, and 1 teaspoon of espresso powder. Sift this together, then whisk the dry ingredients to combine. Then add in the 4 egg yolks, 1/3 cup of vegetable oil, half a cup of the prepared room temperature coffee, and 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract. Beat this with an electric mixer till it's just combined.
Next, we're going to make a meringue mixture. In the bowl of your stand mixer, add the 4 room temperature egg whites and half a teaspoon of cream of tartar. With the whisk attachment, beat them together on medium speed till it's nice and frothy, about 1 minute. Then turn the speed to medium-high and very slowly add in a 1/3 cup of sugar, while continuing to beat this mixture. Adding the sugar too quickly may deflate the egg whites. When all the sugar is added, increase the speed to high and continue beating. When you start to see stiff, glossy peaks, like this, the meringue mixture is done. We're going to slowly add this meringue mixture to the mocha batter mixture and gently fold it in, 1/3 of the meringue mixture at a time, till it's well combined. Be careful not to knock out any air from the beaten egg whites and really scrape the bottom of the bowl for unmixed cake mixture. Then evenly distribute this batter into the 12 prepared molds or cupcake liners if that's what you're using. This amount of batter should be perfect for 12 egg tart molds that have a top diameter of 3.8 inches. Each mold should only be filled about 4/5 of the way up. We're adding approximately a heaping 1/4 cup of batter to each mold. Do not fill it to the brim, as this chiffon batter will expand in the oven.
We're going to bake this in our preheated oven at 350 degrees Fahrenheit for 15 to 20 minutes, or until a toothpick comes out clean. Let them rest in the molds for about 5 minutes. When the molds have cooled down a bit, carefully invert the molds onto a flat surface lined with parchment paper to unmold the mamon cakes. Quickly peel off the parchment paper and then pick it up, placing it top side up onto a cooling rack. Being quick is necessary to prevent the top of the chiffon from peeling off due to moisture. Do this for all 12 of them. Melt about 2 tablespoons of unsalted butter, and while the mamon cakes are still warm, lightly brush the top of each mamon with butter, just a very thin layer of butter. You can eat these immediately or store them in an airtight container for 1 to 2 days at room temperature or 3 to 4 days in the fridge. If you're storing them in the fridge, make sure to let them come to room temperature before eating, as chiffon cakes tend to seem dry and dense when eaten cold. And there it is, Mocha Mamon. Moist, soft, and buttery mini chiffon cakes. Ang sarap! Mmm,
Yum. Mm.
so good.
That mocha flavor is delicious.
Mm-hmm. Thank you so much for watching. Please let us know in the comment section below if you're planning to make this Mocha Mamon. Send us pictures of your creations on Facebook, Instagram, and TikTok. Links below. And if you like this video, don't forget to give us a thumbs up and subscribe to Cooking with Kurt.
And don't forget to click on the bell so you get notified when we post new cooking videos. And for our written recipes and more, be sure to check out cookingwithkurt.com. Maraming salamat!